Hey guys, it's Jen. I have a super quick Trader Joe's haul to share with you today. I had orange chicken on the menu for this week, and I wanted to get that from Trader Joe's instead of Hy-Vee, so this is what I picked up. I got a package of green onions. I want to make some green goddess dressing, so I needed those. I forgot to pick those up earlier this weekend. I also got this Asian style spicy peanut vinaigrette. This is actually in the refrigerator section at Trader Joe's, and it's really, really good. I like to make Thai chicken salads with it. Next, I got some of these lemongrass chicken sticks. These are like spring rolls. We've had them before. They're really good. And then I also got some shrimp stir fry. I've had this once before, and I actually really liked it. It's a nice, like a lower carb option than the orange chicken, but it comes with everything you need in here, like shrimp and veggies to make the stir fry. The next thing I got was some chicken gyoza pot stickers. I love pot stickers, and so does pretty much everyone in the family. Actually, my kids really like them, so I'm going to make that, excuse me, along with the edamame and stir fry tonight. These edamame are also really good. You just boil them in some salted water for maybe like 5 minutes, and then I just drain them and put them in a big bowl with some soy sauce on the side. But my kids really love to eat these out of the pod. They think that's super fun. Classic Trader Joe's is their Mandarin orange chicken. My kids really, really love this. They would probably eat it more often, but I probably make it once every couple weeks, but they really love it. Next, I got some of this butter chicken. I've had their chicken curry before, and it's really good, but I've never had this, so I wanted to try it. This is just the chicken with the basmati rice, and I got it to take to work sometime this week. And I also have some naan bread that I can pop out of the freezer and put in the toaster to go with that. Next, I got some of these creamy tomato soup crackers. I actually saw these on a different channel, the Family Fudge. I watch her name is also Jennifer. If you haven't watched her videos, she posts a lot of fun food-related videos as well, so I'll link that down below if you're interested. But she said that these crackers tasted like pizza, so I thought my kids would really like those. Next, I got some Chewy coated granola bars. These are the chocolate chip flavor. I've gotten these once before, and my kids really like them. Next, I got some chicken fried rice. We'll probably have that tonight along with all of our other Asian food, and that usually makes leftovers, and Adam loves fried rice, so he'll take that for lunch definitely. I love Trader Joe's sparkling water, and I love that it comes in larger containers. So I got one of the grapefruit. This one's really good, and then this one's my favorite. It's the pineapple sparkling water. I've had them both before, and they're both really good. The last thing is that I got a few bottles of wine. I got this Cocoa Bon red blend. It says that it has, what does it say? It doesn't say cherry and vanilla. Yeah. So I'm looking forward to trying that. And then I also got this La Promenade rosé wine. Funny, I used to take French in high school, but now I can only count and say pass the butter. So anyway, that's just my quick Trader Joe's haul that I thought I would share with you. So I'm going to go pop these in the freezer and pick up the kids so we can come home and eat dinner. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.